Okay, so renal system, right? So the first one that's on your list is what? Renal capsule, which is the coating of the organ. Which organ is this?
Kidney.
This is the kidney, right? How about this organ right here? What is this? Kidney, right? So that layer that covers or protects, okay, is called the renal capsule, which is all this, whatever this color is, right? Okay, and on this model it's going to be this type, particular color, right? That brown color, right? That's the renal capsule, and it's also shown on this model right here. As you can, this is like the outer portion of it. It's better to show you. This color right here is referring as the renal capsule. Okay. What's next?
Renal cortex.
Renal cortex. Okay. Now the kidney is inside. It's divided into an outer region and an inner region. Okay. The outer region is called the cortex. Specifically, it's called renal cortex. You want to make sure that's how you want to write it, okay? Because there's cortexes in other parts of your body also, okay?
So we write cortex of the renal?
Yes, you can simply say renal cortex.
Okay.
Renal cortex, okay? So the outer region of the kidney is called the renal cortex, and what's next one?
Medullary pyramid.
Medullary pyramid, okay? Okay, unless you might not have the medullary region, so these pyramids are located in the medullary region, right? What are you exactly saying?
This is medullary pyramid.
Medullary pyramid, okay. Do you have pyramid by itself also?
No.
Okay. Just understand that basically the outer region is the cortex and the inner region is the medullary region, okay? And inside those medullary region you have these pyramids. Do you see that? Do you see that these are the pyramids?
Okay.
Okay? Which looks like a pyramid, has a pyramid shape, right? Doesn't it? So these are the renal pyramids, okay? Now what's next?
Calluses.
Renal calyces, okay? Now we're going to use this one for that. Okay. So, do you see this little small space right here? Small space. It's better on this one, is okay? These are your minor calyces, right?
Those are the minor ones?
These are the minor,
Okay.
and the minor will collect all the urine from your pyramid, and it's gonna draw into this larger space. Do you kind of see that? This was like a smaller pool to collect the urine.
Okay.
Now this becomes the larger pool,
which
which is called the
major?
major calyces.
I see.
Do you see that? It's not just on this particular pyramid; it's on all of them. But this is the only one that actually shows that exactly that space. Okay, so here would be the minor and the major, right? Minor and major, right? Minor, major, minor, and major. Okay. Now what's next?
Papilla.
Renal papilla. These were the pyramid, right? The tip of the pyramid is referred to as renal papilla. Okay, where the urine is being dropped into this minor calyces. That tip of the pyramid is called the renal papilla. Okay. Also on this model, it would be just that little tip, right? That little tip. It's going to be called the renal papilla. Okay. What's next?
Renal pelvis.
Renal pelvis, okay. Now, I told you that the urine that's being collected in the pyramid is going to draw into this minor calyces, and that's going to draw into this major calyces. Now, the major calyces is going to draw into this larger pool,
Which is the renal pelvis?
renal pelvis.
Okay. Which is exactly where?
Is it
The
just
renal
this?
pelvis.
Exactly, that's right here.
Oh, that whole area.
That's where the urine is being, it's like a funnel. So the urine from other major calyces and minor calyces collects into this renal pelvis. Do you see that? That's what this is right here. Okay? Renal pelvis.
Okay.
Now what's next? So it's going to be also, on this model, it's going to be this area, right?
Okay.
Renal pelvis. Okay? All right, what's next? Ureter. which is this tube, okay, that collects the urine and delivers into the bladder, right? Which is also shown on this model. The two kidneys, right? And the long tube, right? This is the ureter. Okay, the ureter. And on this one, it's going to be this one, right? The ureter. Right? Okay. All right, what's next?
Urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder. I can show you on these two. Okay. This is the shows a male pelvis. This is the urinary bladder right here. Okay. Okay. Urinary bladder. Okay. This is on a male, and on a female, it's going to be. That's the uterus, and this is the.
Vagina.
This is the urinary bladder right here.
Oh, what is this?
This is
That's
vagina.
the uterus.
Oh.
Okay.
This is why we do this.
Okay.
So this is the bladder.
That's the bladder.
Okay.
Right?
That's
Bladder.
funny.
And let me also get a different.
Now, where's the vagina?
This is the uterus, see? The uterus right.
Okay, right here. Okay. I'm like, what is
It's okay, it looks similar. I'm with you.